Hands scrub, lips scrub, face steam, nose extract, face massage, face mask, shave pluck, tone it up, serums, eyes, lips, yeah, I'm through, skin. Okay, yes guys, so cheesiest intro ever, but guess what, we're about to do at home facial. Okay, so let's get straight into it. All right, so the first thing that I'm doing, I am covering my hair because I don't want to get soap in it. Then we're going to use this bar soap to just cleanse the face. You can use any light cleanser to cleanse the face. I'm not going to be in the bathroom. I'm basically going to use this spray bottle to wet my face and to wet my soap. And then I'm going to rub it on my hand and just make sure that it is nice and foamy. Well, not really foamy, but just a little. And then we're just going to lather it on the face just to cleanse it gently, because we don't want to go into anything too harsh, because we're already going to be manipulating the face with a lot of stuff, so we don't want to dry out the skin and so forth. So I went ahead, wash my face, then I'm going to scrub the skin now, and I'm using the St. Ives Apricot Blemish Control Scrub. I'm going to apply that gently to the face with my fingers, because it's at home, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to be professional. So we're just applying that and gently rubbing the skin. We don't want to rub it too hard, especially around the eyes, but we're just going to rub the problem areas like around the nose and around the mouth. Then we're going to get some hot water with a kettle. Okay, so we don't have a steamer, so we're just using a kettle with a pan, and then we're going to use our towel and put our head over the water, the hot water, with the towel, and act a fool, of course, and just steam it for like 5 minutes. But you have to pull your the towel up to just get fresh air, because you don't want to kill yourself, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so just steaming the face, and now we're nice and fresh. Just gonna do it one more time. Yes, getting straight into the extraction process. I'm going to just extract a little bit of the whiteheads that I have in my nose. I have a lot of whitehead around the corners and maybe at the top. You don't want to press too hard on the skin, just a little. Notice this is a extractor, and I'm using the smallest side because I don't want to use a big side, because it might damage the skin membrane on the nose. Is that what you call it? Is that what you call it? But yeah, we're just extracting, as you can see. Oh, nasty, right? We're just trying to get that out, but at the same time, as I said before, do not damn it. Don't try to squeeze it down into your skin. Just try to do it lightly, because your skin is already opened. See that? It's already open, so all the nasty stuff, the whiteheads, can just come out just by applying a little bit of pressure. And as you can see, I'm using a warm rag just to steam the nose a little bit. It has to be a clean warm rag, because you don't want to use anything dirty, because you might cause the pore, what do you call them again, you can infect the nose, because it's so open. So the pores, yes, that's what you call it, pores can be opened, and then if a dirty stuff is like applied to it, it's going to cause infection inside the pores. So just be careful, something clean. So what I do, I have like a piece of cloth where I wipe the whatever is on the extraction tool, yeah, and then I get a clean rag to just pat the areas. As you can see, we just went ahead and we dried the face. Now I'm going to kind of moisturize my skin, or massage it actually. So I'm using this rose oil. This is paraben free and alcohol free and everything free, so it's quite safe. So I'm just going to use my hand after I cleanse the face with the warm water and the warm rag, clean. Okay, then I'm just going to use my hand now to massage my skin, because we don't want it to be super sensitive, because after the extraction process it's going to be a little bit sensitive. Of course I don't extract anywhere else but around the nose area, but I'm just extra, just for the juju and the fuzz and the fuzzage of the fuzzage, we're just going to moisturize or massage the skin. Because yeah, look at that, look all of that nice meaty goodness on the cheek. You know what I'm saying? You need all of that nice blood to just circulate properly in the face. We don't want to be all flushed, dark skin girl flushed. Really, Johnny? Really? Yeah, but you know what I mean. So we just, rubbing that and moisturizing. Why you say moisturize? Massage, Jody, massage. So we're just massaging all of that goodness, nice, get everything working, the blood circulating the skin, foaming with goodness. Oh my gosh, I can just feel it, I can see it, all right, mad girl, stop. Okay, so yes guys, as you can see, we're nice and finished. Just gonna get a clean wet, no, not yet. Well, what we're gonna do now, I made this lip scrub with sugar and olive oil. So pretty much that's it. So I'm just applying that to the lips now, and I just use my fingers to just scrub my lips so I can get them nice and juicy, and none of that crusty looking thing, because I naturally have like dry lips, and I usually play with my lip. I don't know, that's just nasty, but I always like bite my lips or whatever, so my lips are always chapped, so I have to like scrub it to get rid of all the dead skin and all of that. So as you can see, my lips right now are looking okay. They're looking better than before. Yes, so I'm gonna go in with this Badescu. This is a mask, cucumber and aloe, and we're just going to apply that. You should apply your mask with a spatula, but we are not professional. This is at home facial, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to use my hand because I love using my hand, you know what I'm saying? Yes. So I'm just going to use my fingers to apply the mask to the face, and this is just going to get out all of the toxins and everything, because the skin is nice and subtle, so it is going to allow the mask to really penetrate the top layer of the skin and to just make it soft and nice and smooth, and all the impurities will just come out. And we'll just leave this mask for like 15 minutes, and then after we're just gonna get some nice, not hot water, just like lukewarm water to just get rid of the mask, because this mask is very, very dry. It gets really dry. Okay guys, so this is the part that I don't really like doing, because I don't like shaving my skin because it damages my skin. Yeah, but we're just gonna take away all of the mustache, because I have a lot. Oh my gosh. So we are going to get rid of that. I could have done this like earlier on, but I just realized that I have a lot of stash, so I'm just getting rid of that. And then we're going to pluck the brows a little bit, and we're not going to do any extra plucking because I've already done some plucking. So we're just going to pluck a little bit of the brows, and that should be good, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just checking out my skin to see what is happening, if it's looking the way I'd like it to look. And as you can see, I'm pretty pleased. Yes, I'm smiling with my eyes, smizing, so I think I'm pretty pleased. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take some Clean and Clear toner, the light one. I was just gonna tone the skin a bit, yes, to get rid of the excess dirt, because even though we think that when we're doing all of this scrubbing and all of this cleansing, we think that the skin is cleansed, but you're gonna be surprised. You're gonna be so surprised to see how much dirt the skin still has. And this is the reason why we tone, so that we can get rid of all of the dirt, the dead skin, and everything that is left over. Yes, so I love toning. This is my favorite part. When it comes to like skincare, my favorite part is toning, because I love when I see all the excess dirt coming off. It just assures me that my skin is totally clean. Do you see? Look at that. With all the work I just did a while ago, but that's to show that the skin isn't clean. And I just went in again with the toner to just get rid of the excess dirt. Yeah. And when the skin is totally cleaned, when it's totally cleaned and no, like, we don't have any dirt in it, then life is good. Life is so good. So just cleansing all of that. Nice. Good. And you see my eyes are literally burning right now because of everything that I was applying, because my eyes are so sensitive. Yeah, so my eyes are actually trying to renew itself. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wipe away all of those, you know, yeah, mucus from the eyes. But don't look at that. So yeah guys, as you can see, this is the face. This is what my at-home facial looks like. Yes, awesome. So it's time for the serums. I'm just gonna apply the serums to my face. Yes, so we're applying that, and then we're just going to rub it into the skin. Use the fingers to just rub it into the skin. I'm going to use this brightening serum on the face. That's for my hyperpigmentation, and we're just going to massage it in the skin so that it can really penetrate deep, and it can, you know, deal with what I want it to deal with. Yes, and I'm not going to go in with any, what do you say now, because I used a little bit of hyaluronic acid on the skin too, so I'm not going to go in with any moisturizer right now, because right now I don't really need any more moisturizer on my skin. Till maybe like later on in the evening I might need moisturizer, because it's still in daytime, so I'm not going out or anything, but I don't need moisturizer right now. Maybe later on when I rinse my face again before I go to my bed, then I am going to use like a moisturizer. But I'm going to use this eye cream just to take care of my eyes, because you know we're getting older and we don't want to have wrinkles under the eyes, so that's what we're doing. Yes, very, very important that you add a little moisture to the eyes. Great. And that is going to complete this at-home facial. Just going to add later on a lip gloss to my lips, and we're good to go. Nice. This facial is just relaxing for me. I love doing stuff like this because I love taking care of myself. Yeah, pretty much. Guys, I'm feeling so good. Finished look. My face is just like nice. Oh yes, come through skin at home facial treatment. My skin is just coming through. Come through skin. Come through skin. Oh, okay, yes guys, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, living it. Really. Ooh, look at this. Look at the highlight. Ooh.